Okay. Yes. So all these things we can do. And 3D, like this is like all classwork, 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 class. This is not class, this is classwork, this is classwork, this is classwork. So we'll create all these things with 3D, that is like later. Now to digital art, focus on digital art. So then once your basics are clear, we'll move to 3D account. And that is again like BVA, we have very specific syllabus. So that is something we need to follow. And if you want to learn anything apart from syllabus, because syllabus is very limited. If you want to learn something beyond that or anything, you are more than welcome. You can come and ask us, and like you have to work on it. We'll help you out because a syllabus is limited. That is something we're not allowed to modify. We cannot modify it. But if you want to learn something different from syllabus, you are more than welcome. We'll do it. We'll help you out. Okay. And game art, it works a little differently. Yeah. Who is talking? Oh. Like you example, as far as I know, in game art, you don't have props and all, or maybe you don't have a very elaborate level design, or maybe you don't have environment. If you have a level design, but it's not in detail. So if you want to learn something, or maybe you want to be a prop artist, because initially when you join any company, you have to join as a junior artist or prop artist. There is no other way around. So if you think like, okay, I'll be an environment artist instantly, or I'll be a character artist, no, it's not going to work like that. You have to be a prop artist initially and grow and learn those things, and then become whatever you want to be. Okay. Hmm. Then it works differently. 2D again, 2D have a different. Their market is different. Their clientele, and everything. All this is different. So I never worked with 2D, so I'm not the right person to answer that because yes, it's there, but we focus on 3D only. So we don't have 2D. You have this thing. I guess in animation you have this animatics, and you have those storyboards, and all those things are there, part of your animation. That's again different. Yes, that is there. It's there. Is concept art is different. The concept art is there. That is something combination of your drawing and combination of your digital art and your visualization, like whatever you can visualize based on that. So that's what we do. So like that is again like there's a project in your third year, end of third year, where you create your own concept, own scene or character, everything, and then you develop this entire project. So it's there. So that is again like third year. So, okay. Mhm. Yes, that it's there. You have VFX, you have post processing, you have pre-production. So post process cover all your VFX and how to Premiere Pro, After Effects, how to post process the scene. So all those things are there. Nuke is not there, but like in industry, like most of the studios they use Nuke. So Nuke is not there because this is more oriented towards game art. That's why filmmaking. Yes, so that's why like it's not there. But we have Premiere Pro. We have After Effects. Yeah, those things are there. So yeah. So okay, let's. I guess let's please introduce. I don't know your name and like where are you from, what you want to do, and why you joined this course. I just want to know that. My name is Joy. Hmm. I graduated hmm. Okay. I'm from Kerala. Okay. I was always planning to join. Hmm. I know how to do hmm. I'm very passionate. Nice. Huh? I want to get into 3D. Okay, that makes sense. Oh, yes. Nice. I'm from Andhra Pradesh. Okay. I
don't have impact on data.
Okay.
That's why I want to put different field.
Hmm.
That's why I do this field.
So have you researched about it, like in this
Yes,
field,
sir.
like how it works? Because you were doing BSc,
Not for MBA.
MBA
After intermediate.
after intermediate. Okay, so because this thing again takes a lot of 3D and creativity, those things are there. So like whatever you want to do, you have 4 years a degree batch. So research about it, because research is something it's very important, because whatever you learn, like I can show you tools and techniques, but until now, unless you research, you won't retain those information. You have to research and use those things on your own assets. An asset is basically anything related to your game. So use those techniques until unless you use it, or you and generate something, you won't retain or you won't remember those techniques. So you definitely always practice. And this is something, this is related to art. So you have to practice always. There is no shortcuts. There is no shortcuts at all. If people will say, give you software, make your life easier. But if you don't understand how to use it or how to generate this, it won't work. Right. So understanding, like develop those things, very important. So, yeah. So what you are joined this thing. So you want to be game artist or movies, 3D artist for what games or movies? Because there's two distinct industry. One is games, one is movies or TV series, and both pipeline is entirely different. Pipeline basically the work process, how we develop everything. So both the process is different. So if you like have time, research about it, and depending upon your like inclination, what you like and what you want to create and what kind of work you want to do, based on that you can like narrow down your portfolio and generate all those things slowly. So yeah. Okay, thanks. Okay. 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 Mhm. Okay. Mhm. Oh, really? Okay. Nice. Very nice. One follower. Yeah. Okay. So like basically you want to want to be a character artist. So character artist, you need to practice a lot. ZBrush, sculpt everything, because a character works again differently. Like in hard surface, what we do is create a base model in Maya or Max, but character we do it directly in ZBrush. Hmm. Okay. Nice. Nice. Yeah.
I am Mr. Mubayo. I am from India. I was in I was a kid.
Mhm.
So I found this college I wanted to be this year.
Okay.
I'm gonna be that. And yeah, and so this is part of the project.
Mhm.
Yes, I see myself like in this
Oh, it's nice.
imagine
Mhm.
Kerala. I've been interested about how they characters work and how they're created.
Mhm.
When I was there. So that's why I really like that.
Okay. Nice. Okay. Short and okay. Animation. So okay. So okay. So like very good point. Uh, After you finish your third year, end of third year, you will get an option to choose animation or game art. Choose it wisely. Before that, explore both the things and then choose it wisely, because whatever you choose in third year, end of third year, it will stick. You have to stick with that your entire life, because based on that you have to develop your portfolio. So choose wisely. So you have time, explore everything, and play whatever skills you already have or you have understanding, develop those things and play around it, because there's no point learning a new skill from zero. Like whatever skill you have or whatever understanding you have, use that. Hmm.
My parents are both designers.
Okay.
I kind of wanted to go into a similar field. our business is about it.
Hmm.
That's what our industry stuff.
Okay, nice. Hmm. Okay, those things will definitely teach you like the pipeline and how it works and our industry, like how it works, everything. Okay. Okay, that's fine. That's fine. If you don't have clarity, try to explore everything and research. That is something very important. I recommend everybody research, like whatever you're doing and why you are doing and like, what you want to do. And there, because right now because of globalization, the market is open. So like you can sit in India and work for Canada, right? Those things are there. So explore everything, all options, and whatever you are planning to do, make sure you're one of the best, like you are best at it. So those things are very important. Explore. You have 4 years, so okay. Okay, then play. Okay, huh, that's fine. Play, that's nice. Okay, nice. Cool. Mhm. Oh, mhm. Mhm. Okay. 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 So like we have VFX definitely. So there's a lot of things like that is not part of curriculum, like syllabus. Definitely, like Anurag sir, he will take VFX and all. So make sure ask him everything, like all kind, even if it's nonsense question, make sure ask it, because until if you have a one doubt, ask it. Until and unless you ask, it will be there, right, forever. So ask and very clear. Hmm. Okay, like animation. So before this, you did any research or anything? Nothing. You draw. So you watch animated movies, right? Okay. So animation, okay, that makes sense. Hmm. 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 Okay. So you're interested in animation. Okay, makes sense. Okay. Yeah.
My name is Ayush. I'm
Hmm.
from Greater Noida.
Okay.
I'm more interested in movies.
Okay.
I was not a movie. So, and
You want to make movies or you want to animate things? Making movie is different.
no, animated movies only, but I have my own idea.
The short movies and all you want to create. So, okay, that's nice. Okay, that's but like creating a movie, it's not one man's job. It's you need a huge team. Depends like what you want to create. So
That big for the short stories and
short stories. Okay.
you see on YouTube, like many people
Uh-huh.
projects.
Okay, digital content creator basically. Okay, that's a new age thing, so it makes sense. Huh. Hmm. Hmm. Okay, environment artist. So very specific, you are like very particular, like okay, I want to be environment artist. So what kind of environment you like? Okay. Any game? Oh, Last of Us. Okay. Huh. So, oh, just 1 second. So you 1 second. Huh? Sorry, huh? Don't. 1 second. Like, so you want to be environment artist. So have you researched like, is there like how many companies we have in India, and like where they like those companies exist and what? Hmm. It's not there in India. Hmm. EA is still there. There are like two. Okay, there are two teams. One in Hyderabad, one in Bangalore. Two teams are there, and this EA team, part of Technicolor. Technicolor have a very dedicated like a department for EA Sports. Oh, those that is something. Yeah, they're not there. Yes, Pune, Pune and Mumbai. Ubisoft is there. Pune and Mumbai. So there are a lot of studios. We have an entire list. So if you want, you can like ask Denzel. He'll forward it. Denzel is a student coordinator. I guess all of you know. So be aware, because nowadays, because of this open market, there are a lot of company and opportunities are there. We have Ubisoft. We have like gaming, especially gaming. Ubisoft is there. We have a Sumo Digital. Maybe Rockstar is there. Hmm? Right? Yes, it's there. No. Correct. It's there. It's there, but they don't have a studio. Uh, I Oh really? Like previously, this what is his name? Anurag, I believe. That India head. So I had a word with him. So like I guess a year back. I guess his name is Anurag, most probably. I'm not sure. LinkedIn is there. So he said like as of now they don't have any like plan to open a studio. So maybe because it's been more than a year, so maybe plans changed. That's nice. So Royd is very good studio. So if they open it, very nice. It'll be very nice.
2001, 2000, what companies that were in the world outside of the country? Or what?
Oh, walking. I didn't understand your question.
2002,
India. I
what
work.
was the companies in India? How much the one that is now?
There's a huge difference. Now you have a lot more companies available in India, like Ubisoft. It wasn't there. Sumo wasn't there. Then that time there was only two studios, major studios, Dhruva and Lakshay. That's it. Now we have Rockstar, we have Technicolor. There's so many studios. All it's like South Zone basically dominate this field. So North you don't have many companies. So like, and movies also you have that. Now you have MPC, you have Mr. X, you have there's one more studio, I forgot, Mill. So there's so many companies are there. So right now there's a lot of opportunity. This is a very good time to get into this thing. And like one more thing, this individual, this is basically entertainment business, right? During pandemic, 90% business they faced a really like they had this trouble time, right? Except gaming. The reason everybody was at home and they're playing video games. It's a like booming industry. It's a, like always good. Yeah. Sorry. I had to cut you short. Hmm. Okay. Right. Hmm. Oh, that's nice. So you make money, right? Yeah. Hmm. Oh, that's nice. Like you have already like exposure to the industry. You know how it works. The sister is there already to guide you through. Yeah, that's nice. Very nice. Okay. Exploring. Okay. So like you know like what course you joined, right?
particular thing like
That's fine. That's fine. Like that is something like you learn over the like this entire course. So that's nice. To explore and get clarity. That is something I'll ask everyone. Get clarity. Whatever you want to do. If you want to be a concept artist, get clarity. If you want to be a 3D modeler or texture or a sculptor or anything, or maybe a designer, because you have, I guess BBA, they have design, graphic design, VFX, and all a lot of stuff. If you want to learn those things, get clarity. तो कैसे मिलती है जॉब? अच्छा, हाँ, this is I won't say nepotism, but in industry, if you have contacts and you have good network, it helps you get a job. Because nobody wants to hire a again nobody, like they don't know anything about that person. They don't want to hire. If you have a contact or a reference, it helps you get a job and create a profile in LinkedIn. Everybody, LinkedIn and ArtStation, and whatever you create, start uploading there. So it will help you develop a network. So when you apply anywhere, if your work is good, they will automatically they will identify, okay, I have seen you, like maybe they don't know you personally, but they have seen your work. So they can identify you, and that is again helps you in getting a job. I guess like maybe you have watched this movie Luck by Chance. Hindi, it's a Hindi movie. So in that, like luck plays a very good important role. If you post everything, because there's something in Hindi, I don't know how to put it in English. Like जो दिखता है वो बिकता है. So you have to showcase yourself to this entire world and your artwork, whatever your caliber. So if people can see it, it's like easily acceptable for them. If you cannot, like suddenly one day you posted your like amazing artwork and nobody knows you, it's like then they will think, okay, this is your work, or maybe you just download something and posting it, right? So they need to know your growth, need to see your growth, like you're working and like for 4 years of working and developing a portfolio, and keep updating a portfolio continuously. That's how it works. Yeah. Hmm. Hmm. Already you're saying probably not. So hmm. Hmm. Okay. So you have 4 years, so like that's what, like explore everything, get clarity, because BBA have a lot of different subjects. So I guess you have photography as well in BBA. So photography, graphic design, VFX, a lot of stuff is there. So explore everything, whatever clicks. Yeah, yeah. Last. Okay. Little bit interest in gaming. Oh, I'll close it. So in our field, it's all about your quality of work.
like more than PC, you provide them some like for that you can also hire designers and
Designer, okay, game designer is a different job profile altogether. There's nothing to do with modeling, texturing, and all these things. So game design is different, game art is different. Get clarity. Huh. So that is like get clear. Like game design, like a lot of people I've seen, they say like game design. Game design is different. Game design is more to do with the planning or ideation basically. Are you visualize everything, develop the idea and generate everything. And gameplay. Those things is part of game designer. So game art is basically more to do with like whatever you see on screen, visuals. Hmm? Huh. So hmm. Hmm. For mobile game, I'm not sure we have a lot of huge studio. Yes, there are a lot of small studios are there mobile for mobile game. Because I like
They
they
also
were
need the same requirements.
almost same, but not the same because mobile game have very limited computing power, right? So for mobile, everything has to be very highly optimized. Because suppose in PC game, PC or console, they have the maximum amount of detail. So in console, suppose you can have a 4K texture. 4K is a size of texture, 4K texture, but in mobile you cannot have it. You need to have like reduce it down to maybe 512, 256. Similarly in poly budget, like poly budget, the count of the model polygons, tries and all. So if you like in now triple A, if you see any triple A games, they go beyond like 1 lakh, 1.5 lakh, 2 lakh. But in mobile game, they will stick around 10,000, 10K, maybe 7K, 8K. So it's like maybe 10% of that. So you have to reduce, but with quality. So it works little differently. Tools almost the same. Tools are same. Only thing is optimization is different. That is something. And for if you want to go to mobile gaming, you have to work on low poly, like low poly, low budget polygons, reduce polygon, reduce texture size, reduce. Sculpting is same. You bake everything, generate everything, and then reduce it. But you have to you need to know how to retain the detail. So those things are there.
The high models, they only use it for promotional.
Promotion, yes. That is again like marketing, na? Like yeah, that's marketing. Yeah. Huh.
So how is the apply for job outside?
Yes, that is very easy now. But for that, you need two things. One is degree in relevant field and plus 3 years of working experience, at least. So without 3 years of working experience, you can apply. Definitely you can apply, but you won't get the job.
I can apply in my home
Huh.
for a skill or something.
No, because you are from that region, so for you getting a job will be easy. So if somebody else applying, they need to have experience because they need to be like skilled labor. Maybe you heard of, right? So you have to prove yourself you are a skilled labor, then only you can apply.
Even for 3 years,
Yes. Wait for everything. For everything. I mean, those are like some criteria, some
work for many months for the plan projects. I mean, just to feel the curriculum.
maybe yes, that is something we can definitely do. And like fan art, you can create all those things, but again you need to have need to prove yourself like you are a skilled person and you have worked with in the industry and you know in and out, you know the pipeline, you know how it works. So those things, because like anybody they are hiring from some different region altogether, they need to know. Well, they need to have assurance, right? So that's why 3 years it's a mandatory. You can check any site. Even Naughty Dog recently they had opportunity, right? So you can go and check their list. They ask for at least 3 years of experience. Those things are there. And Naughty Dog, they ask for degree, they ask for a lot of things, and a lot of artists don't fit like fit into that criteria. So check those things. Make sure.
I mean, it's like any speakers from
Yeah, some requirements. Some require. Yeah. Yes.
Or you can do that's the reason for
Okay. One more thing. Freelance doesn't count as experience.
it's just it counts as
Until and unless in freelance you have credit, like suppose you work for a game or movie and in credit list your name is there, then it will count as a experience. Most of our time as a freelancer we sign NDA, non-disclosure agreement, right? So if you signed NDA and your name is not there, you cannot claim it. So if you like verbally you can say okay I work for this game, if you put it down in paper or maybe online somewhere, they will sue you because you are not allowed to like disclose that, right? So those things are there. So that's why freelance doesn't count as working experience until unless you have credit. Yes, of course. Internship, see, anyone, if you like if you have an internship experience, that means you are good enough and you have industry like pipeline understanding and works. So it always helps. So internship is always good. And I guess for BBA, we have an internship plan. Like fourth year, this entire semester is for internship, 6 month internship is there. Yeah. Either real-time project or internship, any one of them will be there. Yeah. Hmm.
So I don't used to like it. I used to like animation.
Okay.
When I was in class 7, I did my diploma
Hmm.
in 3D and geotech engineering
Okay.
from animation.
Hmm.
There I got the difference. I got to know the difference between 3D, geotech,
Hmm.
and game design.
Okay.
I used to think that they both are the same. So when after 2 years of my diploma course,
Hmm.
I got in 3D that Maya.
Okay.
What is that Maya? Then I got to know that really I'm not suitable for animation because I was more like
Inclined towards.
I used to like movie.
Hmm.
I see my teachers definitely game art. So I was feeling like this is more suitable for me. I consulted my teacher. So I was more interested in gaming, so I dropped out from there.
Okay.
I applied in University of Melbourne for a
Okay.
diploma.
Hmm.
I got selected
Hmm.
for program. My data was cancelled.
Yeah.
So now I'm there looking for the best I can do.
Okay. So, and we'll do best what we can do. Yeah.
Can I show you my two or three images?
Yes. Yes. Of course.
I got into this second program.
Yes. Of course. You can definitely show. And all like 6 of them are online. I don't know how to. Okay. It's nice. Huh?
This was basically one of my older friends.
Hmm.
I took a picture of and illustrated.
Okay.
And I believe this is my best work now. Illustrated and Photoshop. I sketch it,
Hmm.
trace it from. I actually scanned it. I don't.
This looks
pen
nice.
tab- I don't.
I
prefer
thought
pen
some
tab.
anime screenshot.
Yeah, actually, this is my favorite anime.
Hmm.
It's a character Sinon. The one thing I didn't get is these lines.
Hmm.
I got the layer from my scene because I
Hmm.
don't know how to
Mhm.
rest or how.
Oh, this looks nice. Then I can expect a lot of things from you. You know already.
It is not perfect, but it is my personal favorite.
Oh, sure. Okay, okay. Freeze it.
The freezing.
Freezing effect. Okay. It's nice. This is nice.
These are my. I also had one more, but because my last laptop
Hmm.
hard disk crashed,
Crashed.
I lost it.
Oh.
My back also.
Go on. Yeah. It is nice. Okay. Last. What Gupta? Okay. Anak. Okay. Hmm. Oh, nice.
I've always been interested in art.
Hmm.
My family is from art background.
Oh, nice.
I just wanted to explore more about art and music. I was always been interested in games. You might have known like Monster Hunter.
Yes, huh?
And I was extremely like taken back by that
Hmm.
farmers and all that.
Hmm.
But I am not too much interested in theory and art. I can do it. I like to do it, but not that much, not as much as I do.
Okay. Hmm.
I've already posted my account to the market.
Okay. Nice. Huh?
If you, I started recently started
Hmm.
last year.
Hmm.
I really got into this because I graduated from as science.
So fine, better.
So I had to quit art for a while.
Hmm.
In between. So now I'm
Right. Understand.
So I came back and I just started.
Okay. Nice. Okay. So we have another 5 more and online like whenever you guys come offline, we'll have this discussion with you guys. We talk to them because like I'm a little old school. I don't like online. I see their name and this thing. I won't be able to recognize them anyways. So whenever they're offline, we'll have same round for them. This thing. and then we'll do it. So I'll give you a basic, like very quick, this thing overview of this entire thing. Stop data. Oh, yes. 6 of them online. Yes. No, 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 no. You don't have to buy Photoshop. If you or like okay, this again. Stop recording. Just give me a second. Off the records. Huh? Huh.